Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be testing out new makeup. Some of it is new and some of it isn't new, but it's new to me because I never tried it before. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not, welcome back to another video. I'm using this Believe Beauty concealer in the shade Ivory to prime my eyelids. And then I'm going to use this Airspun powder in the shade Translucent. This powder, it feels soft and smooth and it applies really well. Then I'm gonna use the Nicka K Perfection 32 eyeshadow palette. I got this palette because I wanted a colorful eyeshadow palette, and I would give it a 4 out of 10 because the shimmers in here are nice, but the mattes aren't that pigmented. This is what the shimmers look like. This is what the matte looks like. It took me a while to get it this pigmented. So I'm gonna take this blue shimmer shade and I'm gonna put it in my crease. I usually don't put shimmers in my crease, but I'm going to because the mattes in this palette isn't that pigmented and I will be all day trying to blend it out. So I'm just gonna put shimmers in the crease for now until I get a matte colorful eyeshadow palette. And then I'm gonna take this darker blue and I'm gonna put it below the other blue. And then I'm gonna take this green shade and I'm gonna put it on my lid. I'm gonna prime my face using this Believe Beauty Pretty and Prime primer, and the color of this primer is like a beige color and it's kind of watery, a little goes along, and it doesn't have a bad smell. Then I'm gonna go in with my Believe Beauty Skin Finish foundation in the shade Porcelain, and this foundation is definitely a matte foundation, full coverage, and I was scared that this foundation wasn't gonna match me because I swatched it and it kind of looked orange and yellowish, but now that I tried it on my face, it matches me pretty well. And it smells kind of weird, but I'll get over it. And I do like this foundation so far. Then I'm gonna go back in with my Believe Beauty concealer. And I'm gonna set under my eyes with that same Airspun powder. I'm gonna contour my face using the Profusion Pro Contour palette, and I got this from Five Below for $5. The shade top left corner, it broke, but I kind of fixed it. And I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild contour brush, and I'm gonna use this first shade to contour my cheek. I'm gonna use this lip liner by Nicka K, and I'm gonna use the Shea Butter Crystal Gloss by Nicka K on top. So I forgot to press record, but I used the lip liner around my lips, and then I put the lip gloss on top of it. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below, leave a comment, and share this video, and I will see you guys in my next video.